Innumerable potentials are hidden in our mind. Our life is a reflection of our thought process in our mind. It is the means of accomplishments and our mind is our God. Pandit Shriram Sharma Acharya. Book title Manvi Chamta Aseem Apratyashit. Human Potential Infinite and Boundless. Book Introduction. There is nothing in this world that is more complex, mysterious, and at the same time infinitely capable as a human brain. Ordinarily, one would think that the main objectives of our body are cognitive, functional, combinatorial, but as it is said that God is in details, upon diving deeper into neuroscience, we start realizing that the brain possesses super advanced capabilities that are still largely unknown. Indian yogis have already proved in the past that anything can be achieved through intense mental concentration and meditation. Modern day technology today is following the same path and is proving the same based on science and anatomy, that yoga and meditation were not a waste of time then and not a waste of time now. In fact, they are the reality of the world based on the systematic scientific method. Dr. Jose Delgado pioneered a most unnerving part of technological progress through the brain chip, which can manipulate the mind by electrically stimulating neural tissues. He also implanted radio-equipped electrode arrays called stymosivers in dogs, cats, monkeys, chimpanzees, gibbons, and humans that can evoke smiles, snarls, bliss, terror, and hunger, garrulousness, lust, and other responses. These are minimal information discovered until then compared to the research and knowledge of the Indian sages, which was more developed and modern. In this book, the author has discussed in detail the potential, capabilities, and experiments conducted worldwide to explore the command center for our central nervous system. Few topics covered in the book. There is always an electric current flowing in the human brain, equivalent to a charge of 20 watts. This is sufficient to light up a small bulb. Suppose by some process we can activate 10 billion neurons altogether. In that case, they can perform like a dynamo, each resulting in 10 billion dynamos, and readers are free to take a guess on the potential of that enormous heat, light, and the massive wattage generating from it. There are three main parts of the brain. First, the controller of all the actions and reactions. Second, controller of the muscles and their functions. Third, the controller of breathing, digesting food, and other self-driven processes. Of these, the one which handles and unites the mind and the intellect is considered to be the most important. The development of that part is called mental development. The remaining parts of the brain functions operate according to the condition of the body of an individual living being. If we dive deeper into the unknown depths of mind, we will realize that it is a gigantic warehouse of enormous, innumerable precious gems. It contains everything which can be called extraordinary. If one can decipher these layers systematically and relate to them in one way or another, we will be successful in reaching from a state of normalcy to extraordinary. Topics covered in the book: origin of life energy, capable beyond our understanding. Cultivate the mind first. Do not get carried away with a mental disorder. Keep healthy not only the body but the mind as well.